Reno, you're watching 2 News at 6:30.
We really need to work to get off of that plateau and get on a downward slope of continued decrease in cases.
Washoe County's new positive COVID-19 tests have come down, but we're still seeing more than 70 new cases per day. The latest in the coronavirus pandemic tops 2 News at 6:30. Today, Nevada reported 253 new coronavirus cases. That's the lowest daily increase since the middle of June. I'm Ryan Kennedy.
And I'm Kristen Remington. Thanks for being with us tonight. So pretty encouraging there, at least. The state also reported 20 new coronavirus-related deaths, however, putting Nevada's total at 1,250 since this all began. Nearly 20% of Nevada's cases have been discovered because they came into contact with someone with the disease. So contact tracing, according to health officials, has really helped in our state. As Paul Nelson reports, positive cases are dropping in our state, but again, in Washoe County, they're really not going up or down.
The CDC is recommending that only people with symptoms of COVID-19 get tested, but the state says we should continue what we've been doing.
We still encourage people to get tested if they've had a close contact, if they're contacted by people conducting contact tracing.
Nevada's daily COVID numbers are dropping. The trends have gone down in Washoe County somewhat, but now appear to be at a plateau.
I'm hopeful that what we're seeing is the result of the mandate on masks and more people that are complying with the mask requirement.
Washoe County is still seeing an average of more than 70 new cases a day.
That's still unacceptably high, and we need to continue to work to try to drive those numbers down for the health of our community.
Dick hopes our local cases will begin to drop within a couple of weeks. With schools and the university back in session, it's also possible that we could see another spike in the coming weeks.
Just having thousands of people coming together on the campus and that increased interaction would be expected to contribute to additional cases.
Dick says it's important to get the flu shot this year. That could help preserve healthcare capacity and COVID testing capacity. He says people who catch the flu could be more susceptible to the coronavirus.
And it's often those other diseases that are the complications that lead to the fatalities. So it's just all around a good idea to get the flu vaccine this year.
Covering the story, Paul Nelson, 2 News.
Washoe County is altering how it schedules testing at the drive-through testing post. Now, the system it uses to schedule is changing over, so it'll be down through the weekend. So if you need to get tested, it's best to do it before 3:30 Friday afternoon.